the update. And for McDonald's. And new golden chicken curry fillet. Ayan pa nga sila Barbie at David.
Creamy.
Mm-hmm.
Anong Japanese curry? That's the way I love it.
Tsaka, manamis-namis. Just the way I love it.
You know?
Actually, it's kind of hot also.
Oh, wow. Oh, kaya ko.
Oh, sobrang parang gaya ng Japanese curry. Just the way.
You love it.
Yeah.
You know?
You will love it too. Tikman niyo na ang new golden chicken curry fillet ng McDo.
99 pesos lang. May extra rice ka na sa McSaver Sulit Busog meal na to.
You know? 99 lang, oh. Parang Barda lang. And nakalikom pa nga ang Barda Fans Club ng 100,000 pesos at dinonate sa Save the Children kung saan ambassador sila Barbie at David, you know. Grabe yun. Ito pa yung mga behind the scene ng Barda. That's GMA Station ID 2025, you know. Ang lakas talaga ng chemistry ng Barda eh. Hindi natin may tatanggi yan. You know. At saka ito pa sa post ng Barda Elite and Global Happy Barda Day ay may pa-LED billboard pa nga dyan sa Ayala Mall, Manila Bay sa Central Garden, JW Jokno Boulevard at Diosdado, mga Pagdahal, you know, yung Maria Clara at Ibarra, si Clay at si Fidel, you know. Ang grabe yung mga Barda, oh. Ang ganyan nila kamahal sila Barbie at David. And happy Barda. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.